Good morning class. As you know beta, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 3.2. Today we will start our exercise 3.3. So in the exercise 3.3, what we have to do? We have to find the square roots and the number of digits in the square root of a given number. Okay. So the first question is, find the number of digits in the square roots of the following numbers. In this exercise we will learn beta that how many digits are present in the square root of a given number. Okay. So how can we calculate the number of digit in the square roots of a given perfect square? Look at here. Let us take an example beta. B part 2 to 5. To calculate the number of digits in the square root of a given number, we have to make the pair of the digits of given number starting from the unit place. Okay. So the pairs are beta 1 and we have left with one unpaired digit. Okay. To calculate the number of digit in the square root of a given number, we have to add the number of paired digits and unpaired digits. So how many paired are here? 1. And how many unpaired? 1. So total is equal to 2. This implies that beta number of digits in square root of 2 to 5 is 2. Is 2 beta. Okay. In the same manner, we will take another example, and that is D part. D part 140625. Okay. Now make the pairs 1, 2, 3. Here we have only paired digits and number of paired digits is equal to 3 and we have no unpaired digits, that means we have 0 unpaired. So 3 plus 0 is again equal to 3. So the possible number of digits in square root of given number, and that is 140625 is 3 beta. Okay. So you have to calculate the pair digits and also unpaired digits, and then you have to add them to find the number of digit in the square root of a given number. Okay. So this is the way by which you can solve your question number first. Try to do the remaining part by yourself. Now we will move on the question number. Second question beta. In the second question, we have to find the square root of the given numbers by using division method. Okay. So we have to apply here division method to find the square root. So A part is 5, 7, 6 beta. To find the square root by division method, firstly we have to write the given number like this. Then we have to mark bar on the pairs starting from unit place digit. Unit place digit is 6. Now we have to make the pairs. So first pair is 7, 6 and then we have left only with single digit, that is 5. After that we have to take the left digit. So what is the left digit? 5. And then we have to find two numbers such that 5 lies between their square. So clearly 5 lies between the square of 2 and 3, because 2 square is equal to 4 and 3 square is equal to 9. Clear? After doing this, we have to take the smallest number between 2 and 3 as the divisor. So clearly 2 is less than 3, so divisor is 2. What is divisor? 2. Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to take 2 as divisor. Okay. And beta, in case of division method of finding square root, divisor and your quotient are same. Like 2 is divisor, so quotient must be 2. So quotient is 2 beta. What is quotient beta? 2. Clear? So if the quotient is 2, then 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. After subtracting we will get 1. After this we have to take this pair down and this will become here. Okay. Now we have to find the next divisor. To find the next divisor, what we have to do? We have to multiply the quotient by 2. So quotient is 2 and what we have to do? Multiply this quotient by 2. This will become equal to 4. So we have to put here 4. Okay. Now in the unit place of this divisor, we have to find a number such that the quotient and this unit place digit are same and the product with this divisor of this quotient place is equal to 176. Okay. So we find this unit place digit by trial and error method beta. Trial and error method means we put here 3 and then we have to multiply by the same number. If we put here 3, then we have to multiply by 3. If we put here 4, then we have to multiply by 4. So for example, if we take 3 and then we multiply it by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. It will be 129 and we have to find 176. Okay. So we do not put here 3. Now what we try? We try to put here 4. 4 and 4. Here is 4, so we have to multiply by 4 because quotient and divisor are same. 4 4s are 16, 1 is carry, 4 4s are 16 and 1 76. So this is 76 and this is also 76. So we have to put here 4 and also put 4 in the quotient. So 44 4s are 176. After that remainder is 0 and there is no another paired number represent in the given number. Okay. So after getting 0 as remainder, we will reach on our destination and that is the square root of 576. So by this method we can write square root of 576 is equal to the quotient and the quotient is 24. This is the answer and this is the method of division by which we can find the square root of a given number beta. Okay. Let us take one more example of second question. C part beta 3721. Okay. Firstly we have to write the given number like this 3721. Then we have to make the pairs starting from unit place. So first pair is 21, second is 37. Okay. Now we have to take our leftmost pair. So leftmost pair is 37 and then we have to find two numbers whose square is like this 6 square and 7 square. We have to find two numbers such that 37 lies between their square. Okay. So 6 and 7 are the numbers like this. 36 is greater, 37 is less than 49. Okay. Now beta we have to take the smallest digit as divisor. Okay. So here what we have? We have 6 is smallest digit. So 6, if the divisor is 6, then quotient is also 6. So 6 6 ja 36. Then what is remainder? 1. Then next what we have to do? We have to put the next pair down. This will become 1 2 1. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find the new divisor by multiplying quotient with 2. So 6 multiplied by 2 will become 12. Now we have to find this number such that by multiplying the given whole number we will get 1 to 1. So clearly if we put here 1 and we have to put here also 1 and multiply of 2 1 to 1 to 1 is 1 to 1. Clearly 121 ones are 121. So this is equal to this and this is 0. So by this method, what we can write beta, the square root of 21 is equal to 61. So this is the method of division beta by which you can find the square root of the given number. Okay, so try to do the remaining part of this question by yourself beta, and if you have any problem in doing this question, we will take that problem in the live class. Thank you. Have a nice day.